Hey crew, today's video will be my take on $1,000,000 pie. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We'll be using 1 gram crust, 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of crushed pineapples, cherries, and granulated sugar. If you're new to the channel and seeing this, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the videos after you watch them. Let's get into this $1,000,000 pie video. Alright crew, so we're going to take 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese and we're going to put it into our mixing bowl. Alright, so we have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk that we're going to put in. And we simply going to mix this together. Alright, so we're just going to make sure we get all our sweet condensed milk out. So we're going to give it another mix. So we're going to go in with some sugar next. We're going to go in with a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar and give it another mix. So at this point, you're going to want to taste it to see if it's sweet enough for you. Even with the sweetened condensed milk, using 2 blocks of cream cheese lessen the sweetness of that condensed milk. So we're just going to give it a taste. It's perfect. So we're going to go in with our 1 can of pineapple.
Slowly in the moonlight, beneath the stars that lit up your eyes, the sweet scent of your skin.
Alright, so with some of the reserved pineapple juice from crushed pineapple, we're going to go 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. And we're going to give it a mix.
We were living in a fantasy. other half of my heart.
Alright, so we're going to take our golden graham crust. It's a 9-inch crust.
I could spend every single day staring into your beautiful blue.
We're going to take our pie pillar and we're just going to pour it in there.
You were the other half of my heart.
Alright, so we're going to take our cherries that we have here and we're just going to simply place them around the pie.
You make me wanna be something more.
Alright, cool, so here's our $1 million pie. And you want to put this pie in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours and allow the cream cheese to set before you cut it. Okay, cool, so our $1 million pie was in the refrigerator overnight. And this is what it looked like. I'm not gonna cut it because it's for tomorrow. But y'all can see it set really good. This is my take on $1 million pie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video, comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel and saying this, please subscribe to the channel. And be sure to click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you're notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.